Hey guys, how's it going? How to turn AI images into animated cartoons in Capcut. So first of all, go ahead and open it up. And I just added my new picture by adding a new project. You can just close this and click add new project and select your photos instead of videos and then add your own photo. So in my case, I'm using this photo, right? You're gonna see right here the tools, right? Click this photo, for example, swipe left, right? Swipe left to find styles. Yeah, not here, I believe. Let's say styles. Well, let me close this. Yeah, and try to find styles from here and say, okay, click animation. Right, or click effects and then here styles, and then notice we are sorry to inform you that the photo effect entire will soon be removed due to product upgrades. You can now find these effects under video effects and body effects. Okay, so I'm gonna see right here the filters. Right, you can see right here the 19 uses. Let's say the trending. You have the trending right here. You have AI photos. You can use the AI photos and implement it to your photo. Right, as you can see right here, this is an AI photo. Or let's try to pin down cartoonish. Let's say this. Right, it takes time. So you can add your own, basically, portrait of the. Let's say I want a cartoon, right? This is a cartoon, by the way. Let me close this. Doll, click style, go to the particle or AI photo, and then move swipe left, sorry, and add your own cartoonish. I'm trying to pin down the cartoon. So what's the closest? Yeah, that's a cartoon, by the way, or anime. So I can add this, and you're gonna be able to see the final result, right? But you can find it in the style section. You can add your own image, right? As you can see right here, it doesn't look perfect. Change it to anime, for example. Maybe it will work. Maybe like this, or classic right here. Cartoon, yeah, classic cartoon. As you can see right here, this is an example of how you can do it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.